Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. What about you,
I'm
sir?
also well, Alhamdulillah. I'm over the moon today. Well, this is the final exam,
Yes, sir.
so I think you have finished your classes and homework, everything.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to ask very simple questions first of all.
Okay,
Then I'm
okay.
gonna give you a topic. Then you have to talk at least 2 minutes. All right?
Okay, sir.
So tell me about yourself.
I'm Aryan and I have recently passed my SSC exam from Uttar High School and I'm preparing myself for the college I want to get admitted.
Okay. Can you talk about your family?
Okay, sir. I have a family of 5 members. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. My sister is younger than me and she reads in junior one. And my brother, he's also younger than me and he reads in class 9.
Okay. Thank you very much. What do you do in your free time?
So basically, in my free time, most of the time I play footballs with my friends, and if they are not free to play with me, I play mobile games, or watch movies, listen to music.
What kind of movie do you like to watch?
Uh, I love action thriller movie.
Is it Bengali or English?
Sometimes English. It depends on the movie. If the
Okay.
movie is very good or interesting,
Mm-hmm.
even if it's in English or any other language, I will watch it.
Okay, thank you very much. So let's talk about the sports. What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sports is football.
Football.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you usually play football with your friends?
Yes, sir. I usually play with my friends football. I basically play football in the ground of Sector 3, and I have a team with my friends. It's called
Mm-hmm.
Inter Dribblers.
Okay. And when do you play football?
Mostly in the morning
In the morning?
at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m.
So maximum young generations are now sleeping, like they sleep in the morning, but you are different. You all are so different rather than them. So how do you manage? Because do you go to bed early and wake
As
up
I
early?
told you that I have passed my SSC exam, so I have nothing to do.
Hmm.
So I'm most of the times I'm free, so I have a lot of time and I can manage all of that easily.
Okay. And when you play football, do you, I mean, get any hurt? Like, do you get any pain while playing
Yes,
football?
sir. A few months ago, I got injured because a player hit in my hand so hard. I cannot play for about 2 months.
So then, what did you do that moment?
Uh, I keep playing because at that moment I didn't feel the pains that much.
Mhm.
But after the match, I felt a lot of pain in my hands, and then after that, I cannot play for 2 months.
Okay, let's go with another topic, which is photographs. Do you like to take photographs?
Not that much, but sometimes if the weather or something I like, I would like to take photos of that.
Why do you like to take photos?
Uh, because I want to capture the memory in my phone so I can review it
How do you save photos?
on in my phone.
Okay. Do you have any photos like your childhood photos?
Yes, I have a lot of childhood photos. Would you like to see it?
Okay, then when you see the photos, then how do you feel?
I feel a lot. I feel good because at that time I was so happy. I am living the peak of my life.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to give you a topic, and you have to speak at least for 2 minutes. And
Okay,
the
sir.
topic is you're gonna talk about your last day at your school. How did you spend whole day from morning to afternoon? Tell us. Tell me, please.
So the last day of my school, it's called rag day or
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
farewell day.
Mm-hmm.
The rag day was started at 9 a.m. and me and my friends arrived at very early, like 8 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. Because we want to spend that whole day with everybody, and after 9 a.m. we all went to school and the function began. The teachers gave a give a long speech about how they manage us, they guided us, blah blah. And after that, some students recited a surah, and many of them performed some song, some act. And after that, we went to our classroom, and the teachers told us to keep on how we are doing and motivated us to succeed in our life. And after that, the rag day was ended in school. After that, we friends went to a park, and all of us took a lot of pictures and signed each other's t-shirt.
Mm-hmm.
And we went to a restaurant to spend the last moment of our school life.
Okay, so were you being emotional at that moment when you just end
That
of your
emotion didn't hit at that time. After we went home,
hmm,
it hit at once. We didn't felt at the rag day.
okay.
Af-
Then after finishing the rec, then when you went home and you felt, oh my goodness, I have closed my chapter. Uh, okay, and now you're gonna tell me about the at night, because did you talk with your friends at that moment?
yes, yes. We talked for a while, and when we talked, we also planned a whole day out with everyone
Mm-hmm.
to enjoy that day, because we
Okay.
didn't feel that reg day was enough for us
Okay.
to enjoy that moment.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that was the last question from my side. Thank you very much, Mr. Aryan, and you have said really well, and you have explained really well. Especially your, I'm really satisfied with your answer because you didn't give me any answer shortly. That was really nice, and you have a very good fluency. So I'm really
Thank
really
you.
happy for that. Now, if I give you any right now any suggestion to you, please um, talk and get some informations which is really uncommon. That okay, this is very common topic. Now you're gonna change the topic. Like okay, I don't know about the any unknown topic. Then you can if you choose any unknown topic, then it will be easy for you to talk more, because then you will get more information while delivering the space. So this is my advice from my side, and thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you.